Good day and welcome once more to my YouTube channel. I am Mike. Do you know where I am? I am at the Freetown International Airport. I'm here purposely to receive someone who is dear to me. Someone who have left this country for about 30 years now. And this is his first time of coming back to his homeland. Guys, join me as I go ahead to receive my uncle, who for the first time I will be meeting him. Wow. This is Sierra Leone or the Freetown International Airport. Guys, I am so eager to meet these people. For his wife, I've met his wife several times, but the man, I've never met him officially. We've just been talking all these years on the phone, through FaceTime, but this is the first time I will be meeting him. So I am so eager to meet this man. If beautiful Freetown Airport, as you can see. That's the departure area and this is the arrival area. Good day and welcome to my channel. I am Mike. I shown you just now going to the airport to collect someone, and with a huge surprise, I've got a baby, I've got a drone, I've got F11 gym drone. So let's come and unbox it. Let's see what is in this beautiful box. Join me as I unbox it. Wow. Jing jing. Wow. There's the plastic. Jing jing. This is the case. Carrier. So let's start here. This is the manual. This is the manual, the video guide. Okay. This is the blade. This is the blade. This is the cord. Yeah, the cord. This is the controller. You can see. There is a stand for the phone. There is the controller. Wow, this is a man of himself. Beautiful. Pull the cover to unlock it and then take it off gently. All right. This is the battery. This is the battery. I want to say a very big thank you to this family that offered me this precious gift. I appreciate it, and I promise that my content will become richer more and more. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.